So first thing of the day is usually feeding all the dogs and the horses and the cats and all the animals. That's part of the reason we live out here. It's like there's so much opportunity to do things outdoors. One day we'll go look for caves, one day we'll go look for a swimming hole, one day we'll be looking for wildlife. So it's just a nice way you can kind of get on an adventure pretty easily every day.
A dream day is be doing our chores, riding the horses, getting our stuff done, cooking dinner, gardening. My favorite day is not leaving home. We really enjoy the peace of living out here and the quietness and the simplicity of growing our own food, doing our own cooking. So living out here is really about being able to stay out here as the dream day.
You know, we got 3 young kids, so there's always something going on. It's always a little bit of a party or a disaster. The kids keep us busy too, which is really fun and great place for them to grow up as well.
I think raising the kids out here and just having them feel connected to nature is a huge part, and having them living a simple, beautiful life in a beautiful place.
Living out and dealing with the horses and all the animals and being out here in the dirt makes a lot of sense to wear clothes that are tough enough to wear, and also a lot of times no bells and whistles, just very solid clothing that is gonna endure whatever you put it through.
I like to put something on in the morning and then know it's gonna be throughout the day. I can do my stuff, do my chores, do my work. I can pick the kids up in it. I can go to soccer practice. It kind of is like multifaceted and can fit all these different aspects of our life.
The basic old school utilitarian kind of clothing that has a function has always been something I've been drawn to.
Yeah, and living out here, you need things that are durable and that can last a really long time and be washed over and over and can actually get better with time.